So guys, 1995 Corvette, trying to change the steering wheel. What a fucking mess. Alright, so you're going to want to look under your dash and you'll see the yellow. So this yellow cord feeds up your column and comes through here where it connects to your old round mechanism there where your horn attaches. So basically what I've done, I don't know if you can see, anyways, you can't really see, but I drilled a hole through that white tube so that when I put my new steering wheel piece in like this, I can push the spring down and then I'll put a paper clip through the hole that I drilled and that will hold that in place. Okay, and I also got a 5-watt 1 ohm resistor, 2 of them in series, and I'm going to connect those two to the 2 wires coming out of the yellow, and that should bypass my horn. And then I got this, which is Momo 2702. It used to be black, but the paint, I sanded it all off because I'm going to repaint it properly, because after I cut it, basically you have to shave down a bit so it can fit. So as you can see, that goes on like that, and then this guy goes over top.